Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Walmart account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Walmart account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in walmart.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Walmart login like this on the Google itself and hit enter, and you can see the walmart.com login is available over here. Click on there, and this is the direct login page of Walmart. But from the first website or the first tab, we are on the home page of Walmart. To now log into your Walmart account, you can see the sign in account option available over here. Click on sign in. As you can see, both of these pages are same. Let's close on all these. Now to log into your Walmart account, simply enter your email address over here and then click on continue, and then on the next step you'll be required to enter your password. Enter your password and click on login to sign into your Walmart account. Or if you have not yet created an Walmart account, you can see the create an account button available over here. Click there to go through the procedure to create an account on Walmart. And there, guys, this is how you log into your Walmart account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.